everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I am Tera. Welcome. First I want to say thank you to everyone who has subscribed. New friends here, welcome. And thank you to all my regulars who have been here with me this whole time. I so appreciate all of you and the love and the support. You guys are the ones growing the channel and I'm so grateful. Thank you. So I'm doing a unboxing. I got my tartan pieces in. I am still in my beautiful red crack oven because I was waiting for some pieces to move into my other colors, and I think these are it. My son cracked it open. He said it was some small Dooney pieces, so I think they came. Look how beautiful. If you haven't seen the what's in my bag on this one, I will link my what's in my bag playlist on the bottom, guys. Go take a look. I'm just loving this month of all my exotics, and I want to say thank you to everyone who watched. Put this on the floor here, make sure doggy does not pee on it. So I wanted to move into my next exotic, my newest piece, this beautiful olive. Look at it, the olive hobo venison. And I didn't have any nice pieces to go with it, so I thought I'd order some tartans because the tartans are on sale right now on I Love Dooney. And I got some pieces I don't have. Like for me, when there's a collection I'm interested in, I won't buy the big bag first. I always like to buy the little pieces, you know, get them in, see the feel of them, how they're made, the look of it, before I actually commit to a bag. So I did order a couple of the tartan colors I didn't have. I do have the red tartan, and I'm going to be using my red tartan collection with my next, actually this is going to be the last bag I do for the December. It'll be my Christmas bag. It is the red, it's right here, my red camille, and I have the red tartans to go with it. So that's going to be fun, and that's going to be the last what's in my bag of the month, guys. So be subscribed and ready to watch that. Hit that notification. Okay, let's jump right into the other colors and other pieces that I ordered. I did get the email. All the pieces are in here, and looks of it, no sticker. But I did get a Christmas, I got 4 Christmas stickers, so I'm happy about that. There are 2 other kinds of Christmas duck stickers that I haven't seen yet and I haven't received. And I'm watching my other friends here. I don't see anyone who has received the other ones either, so I don't know what's happening. No sticker, guys. Just my tartan bags. Let me see how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 pieces. Okay. We're going to try to go fast so that the video is not too long. I am going out. That's why I'm all dressed, because we were going to head out, and then I saw the box was outside, and they didn't even lock the door or nothing. They just left it in a puddle of rain. So thank God my dog barks, or else they didn't even tell me that they're here. And I ran out to get it. Okay. So the first set, how I like to order pieces when I don't have them is a small one and a medium one. That's what I did here. The first one I'm going to show you guys is the tartan small cone case, and this is the color white. I have these small coin cases in every color, every style. This is how I like to try a new type of bag, a new color, a new whatever they drop, like a new set. This is how I like to do it. I always will get the little ones first. Oh, that's adorable. That is so cute. Okay, so this one they're calling white. Okay. That is so cute. Now this, you know, I think it might even work with my self-appointed bag of the month. Look. Yes, that would work beautiful. And it should fit. This is a tiny, tiny cutie, guys. The bag of the month that I appointed, since December did not have a bag of the month. Little dumped bag. And look, yeah. This is all I probably carry with it, and maybe my keys. And that would be it to head out. This is the featured video on my channel. If you haven't seen it, it is the bag of the month that I created with my beautiful friend Dee Dee Bean. I will link Dee Dee Bean's video so you guys can check her out. But it's a tiny bag, so I don't keep the tiny bags, but I kind of like this one because this is a new collection. So this qualifies as my small item. I don't consider that a bag that I use a lot, so it's an item. And I ordered it. It is the Tucker collection, guys. That's the Tucker. So these tartans, these little ones, any of the small king little coin cases would fit beautifully in it. So these come with a small zipper in the front here, red on the inside, beautiful zipper on the top. And the other ones, I'm just going to show you the color. We don't have to examine it. It does have a key ring. Nice big opening. These are very versatile little, handy little things to have for any Dooney collector of any collection. And in the back here, of course, it has the slip pocket. Okay? So, again, this is the white tartan, guys. And what did I order with that? This one. So this one is the white tartan zip around wristlet. Now I love the size of this and the functionality of the actual little bag that it is. I just don't like the setup they have going on. Doesn't make sense to me. It's attached and you kind of put it on the side here. It has a spot for it. It's not very useful in my opinion, but then again, it's not for my lifestyle. Maybe someone who likes to just grab and go is perfect. See, when you open it, it turns into like this little carrying case. I love the size. It's a nice wallet. Leather card holders inside, and then it has a nice divider in the middle. Red, beautiful. Again, you can remove it, which is what I'm gonna do probably. And then the front here has a nice pocket. Okay, so again, this is the tartan white. They are very cute. If you're looking for the white pieces, these are beautiful. This is the zip around wristlet, guys. It has in here all the colors of the tartan pieces. I'm seeing some blues, greens, reds, yellow, white, and the black. So if you're looking for the white, these are really nice. I think these would go with anything. I mean, reds, any of your lighter pieces beautifully. Okay, so next one, we're just gonna zoom through. This one is the black, I believe. Let me see. What are they calling this one? Black. Okay. They're calling this one black. So, again, I'm just going to show you the color. We're not going to get into it because my family's looking at me like, hurry up. Sorry. There you go. Look how pretty, guys. Ooh. See? Black. It's beautiful. I love the way the gold accents pop out. The black zipper. It's very beautiful. Put it together. Again, I did feature the red one in the other videos if you guys want to go watch. Look at that. It's beautiful. And I think they're probably all going to have a different kind of a print. It's probably like that where you get what you get. Beautiful. Okay. So this is the black. One of these is black. This one. Then I also ordered the slim wristlet, large slim wristlet. I think that's a very useful piece as well. Yeah, there it is. Black, black. How beautiful. So beautiful. These wristlets are very nice also to have in your collection. They can be used as a little bag itself, or as a wallet, or even as a case. I sometimes will use mine as a case, like a carrying case. And here there is no place for your cards. It's just this large opening and then like a pocket opening on the side. If I'm going too fast, you guys can freeze, zoom in. It's beautiful, handy, cute little piece. These will go so nice with everything. Beautiful blacks, the blues, I'm seeing the greens, yellows, every color represented. All of these have all the colors represented. That's beautiful, just so you have a size comparison. Okay. So this is the zip large slim wristlet, black, very beautiful. And then the last set I got, again, these are all colors I didn't have, that's why I got the little pieces. And I only have the large in the red. The bag I have is in the red. There's my little drawstring up there somewhere. It's on display. So I want to say, since I saw them up close, I kind of like the green the most. So this is the green one, but they're calling this one blue, I believe. Let me check. On this here. What are they calling this one? Navy. Okay, that's navy. Here she is. I love this one. It has all the black accents and gold. It's just popping right off of it. This one they're calling navy, which they should call it green because it's more green than any other color. See the comparison of the two. Here is the black, guys. Falling out of my hand. Okay. Yeah, I'm loving the green. I might jump on there and get myself this color, the navy. I'm calling it green because it's more green to me. Beautiful. And then of course I ordered frame for it. I was thinking of this one to work with this guy, but now that I see it together, it's not gonna work. This is more of an olive green. This is more of like a Christmassy kind of green. I don't like it together. Sorry, fella. I'm gonna have to put some other pieces I have. I'll find something. And then I'm gonna order me a bag in this color, the navy tartan. I hope you're enjoying. Thank you so much for stopping by, guys. If you're new here, I am Tera. Welcome. Thank you for spending this time with me. And if you like, please give me a like and hit that notification. Here it is in the larger piece. I guess that one's a little easier to see. Yeah, isn't it more green than navy? They're calling it navy.
It's green.
It's green, right? Who knows why Dooney does what it does. Okay, so again, this is the black, guys. Navy. And white. Okay. And of course, I already showed you guys my red one. It's up here somewhere. I don't think I could grab it. Never mind. It's in the playlist. Maybe I'll take pictures of it. You'll see it in the pictures. So there you guys have it. My newest Tartan collection. So excited. They're having a great sale, guys. Holiday sale. Still going on. I'm not going to say price because every time I say price, then I go back and they've changed it. So just punch in holiday. You can link to I Love Dooney from my home page. And if you don't have Rakuten, go through mine, guys. Set yourselves up one for you shopping all year round. You're going to get amazing money back. I got a big check and I spent it already. So there you have it. The three other tartans: navy, white, and black. Thank you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Mwah. Bye. I added the red one. You guys can see the red with it represented. It's a beautiful collection. The Tartan collection, guys. On sale now. Go ahead and get a couple of pieces. You won't regret it. They're so lovely. Thanks for watching.